Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video we will talk about the open state and closed state, including these two types of state, the minimum fee among the private colleges. So where in which states we have the minimum fee and how much is the fee and who are eligible. We are going to look at throughout India, and those states also where we have the semi-government quota available. Okay, so if you are new on this channel, please do subscribe our channel and join our Telegram group and WhatsApp group. You can also avail our paid counseling guidance packages. There are totally 6 options available, and depending on your needs, requirement and budget, you can take it. You can look for our admission proofs from the previous years. We do the counseling in online mode, and we have office in Delhi. You can meet also, and across India we have done the admission from the every states. You can also purchase the ebooks from here, and there is a counseling portal which has the complete details about all the data are available here. You can do the prediction of the colleges, seat matrix allotment, fees, stipend, bond, seat living penalty, notifications, closing rank, college details, all things you can get it here. So let's talk about what are the open states and which are the closed states. In the PG counseling, the open states are Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Bihar, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Himachal, then Chhattisgarh. And in the southern states, the open options are from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Karnataka. Those where we have private colleges, but those states are not open, like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala, Odisha, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab. And there are states where we have the government colleges, but there are no private medical colleges for PG counseling, for PG courses, like Manipur, Assam, Goa, Chandigarh, Jharkhand and Tripura. So among those states where we have the private colleges, we will see which colleges have kept the minimum tuition fee for the PG courses and for which courses. Starting with the Punjab state, which is almost closed, just 15% seats in the Adesh Medical College, Bhatinda, is open for others, and the tuition fee is 15 lakhs per year approx. There are two Adesh Medical Colleges, Bhatinda and Kurukshetra. Kurukshetra is through the Haryana Medical Council, Haryana State Level Counseling. Then Karnataka. Karnataka is a very important destination because you will find in low budget many good colleges, and I would say, to be precise, better than government colleges. So approx 20 colleges you can find out there, which is having the fee 13.88 lakhs. The fee got incremented last year. Before that they had around 11.7 lakhs fee, 12.5 lakhs fee. There are other colleges where the fee is higher, and for different branches it is changing also, like STM Dharwad and Adi Chunchanagiri, Khaja Vande Nawaz, MS Ramaiah in Bangalore, Srinivasa in Bangalore, Saptagiri in Bangalore. Madhya Pradesh, there are 8 colleges, and the fee structure is different for different colleges, starting from 13.5 lakhs, which is in RD Gadi, and it goes up to 19 point something, approx 20 lakhs. Next state is Bihar. In the Bihar state, only 3 branches are having lesser fee: ENT, ophthalmology and anesthesia. The fee is starting from 8.5 lakhs. And I'll tell you, in 8.5 lakhs, they are giving monthly stipend as good as 65 to 70. So you can study there for free if you are getting that much stipend. And that much stipend is real, it's not on paper. In Andhra Pradesh, B category fee is now 9 point something, approx 10 lakhs. Okay, and 35% seats in the private medical colleges are given for B category. Out of 35%, 15% of 35% is for outsiders. Next state is Uttar Pradesh. In Subhati Medical College, we have the fee structure which is minimum in Uttar Pradesh is 14.5 lakhs. But there might be hidden charges. So you need to inquire properly what might be the aggregate fee or the actual expenses. There are colleges where the fee got hiked by like 5 lakhs, 8 lakhs per year. But still, you can find colleges where the tuition fee is 20 lakhs, 22 lakhs also. Next state is Chhattisgarh. That's also open state. The fee structure is now 10 lakhs per year. Okay, more advantage to the domicile candidates or those who have completed like MBBS from there, but still you can get opportunity from here. In the state of Haryana, the minimum tuition fee is 14 lakhs for 3 private medical colleges for different branches. Any branch you choose, the fee structure is same. In the colleges of NC, Adesh and World Medical College, but there is a hidden charge. Now coming to the semi-government medical college or semi-private medical college or a state level quota in the private medical college. In Andhra Pradesh, the fee is 5 lakhs per year. In Telangana, it's 7.5 lakhs per year. In GMERS, which is in Gujarat, the fee is around 11.25 minimum. In Jammu and Kashmir, 12.15 lakhs. There is single private medical college in Jammu. And in Kerala, it's 17.5 lakhs minimum fee. In Maharashtra, starting from 8 lakhs up to 14 lakhs, there are many private medical colleges and fees between this range, except Vedanta Medical College. In Odisha, the state level quota has the fee of 7.15 lakhs. In Tamil Nadu, the fee is 3.5 lakhs per year. In the state of West Bengal, 8.5 lakhs to 16.8 lakhs. Otherwise, the fee is 40 lakhs per year for management quota. Okay, so this is all about the fee structure where we have least fee structure. In Haryana open, Chhattisgarh open, Uttar Pradesh open, Andhra Pradesh open, Bihar also open, Madhya Pradesh also open partially, Karnataka is open, Punjab is open for this private medical college only. Okay, so hope this video was useful to you. If it's so, please do like this video and share with others, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.